I've got my Boxycharm by Ipsy, so if you want to see what they chose for me, what I chose, and let me know if you think it's worth it, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I seem to be all alone. I don't know where everybody is. Hanging out in another room, I guess. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, advent calendar hauls, and clothing try-ons. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider giving us a subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. I have to tell you, I'm not excited about their choices for me. They were kind of not exciting. And the choices that I had to choose from, I was not impressed this month. Maybe I'll be more impressed once I see them. I don't know. Now, typically, I do love Ipsy. I am not an Ipsy hater. I will tell you that. Typically, I love my Ipsy boxes, and sometimes when I'm not excited and I get it in, I get excited by the products once I see them. I don't know if that's going to be the case this month, but their theme is more is more. They have a couple of limited edition mystery bags. I haven't seen these yet, but I will grab them and open them up for you, and we'll decide together if they are worth it. Let's see, a sneak peek for, oh, wait a minute, what's it say down here? The Ipsy Advent Calendar is back. I was just talking about Advent calendars. I haven't seen it yet. Let's see if it's in the shop. Drops on the 18th. All right, so if you're like me and you've been waiting for this to drop, drops on the 18th. All right, there is your sneak peek. And I did have a couple of $3.50 add-ons, and I don't find any full size. The first thing that they chose for me by Jubal is a vanilla cherry lip mask treatment. Now, yes, I like lip masks. I like fruity flavored ones. I just kind of thought, like, where's my value? Like, I feel like this is something you get in the shop for $3.50. It's a $20 value, it says. It says it's infused with a sweet vanilla and fruity cherry scent, formulated with cucumber extract to help retain hydration. It moistens and softens your lips while leaving them feeling smooth and supple. They only got a 2.9 star rating out of 5 with only 89 reviews. And overwhelmingly, 36 people gave it a 1 star. People are hating this. And then 28 gave it a 5 star. So that's a little telling. One person said it reminds them of cherry chapstick. Oh, no, thank you. No, I can't with that. Someone said, don't even have to try it now thanks to the reviews. Yikes on bikes. I do not like this. It was waxy, not anything I will use. Some people are super excited. Smells good. Okay. I don't know. I might have to pass on it. I do, because I grew up and that was all you had was cherry chapstick or plain, and yeah, I can't with cherry chapstick. I got PTSD from that. But somebody out of my age range who didn't grow up with the choices of plain or unscented, whatever, or cherry chapstick might like it, just not me. My internet is super slow tonight, so I may have to resort to just putting the prices up and not giving you the ratings because I can't. Oh, okay, here we go. Wait a minute. It finally loaded up. All right, so the next one that I'm not super excited about is by Paranova. It is the Cheek Palette in pink. Now, only because I have so many cheek palettes. And I mean, listen, if this were a Natasha Denona, I'd be like, yeah, okay. But I don't know. Wow me a little bit more, Ipsy. It does look like there is one liquid, or not liquid, but cream product. And there's a little cover over it. And then two powdered. And one of them does look like a highlighter. So that's super pretty. It is very nice. And you know I love a cream product. This is clean and cruelty-free and vegan. It got 2.5 stars with 63 reviews. Wow. Okay, people are hating these things. And 28 of those 63 reviews were 1 star. It says they're cheaply made and way too bright for my liking. Total waste of money. The blushes are something like girls playing with makeup would wear. Not happy. Concept is good, but the quality was not. One person just doesn't like pinks. Doesn't last long. Another person with 2 stars says it's very pink. They gave it a try anyway. It goes on and blends out easily, but it's just way too pink for my liking. It does not suit my complexion. All right, so far, Ipsy, 2 products customers are not liking. All right, let's get to what I chose. So out of the choices they had, I don't recall what they were. I think I screenshot them. If I did, and I still have it, I'll put it up here. I went with a brand that I at least know is a good product or makes good products, and this is the Tarte Face Tape. This is in 205 Light Sand, which is a light warm with gold undertones. Again, I didn't have a choice. It was just, here's the color we think would work for you. It's a $40 value and overwhelmingly good reviews. So 4 stars, 31 reviews, 18 of those were 5 star. All right, we got a little puff here. Here is the packaging. All right, I just put a little bit right there. It's a little bit light, but I can work with that. Now it says it's a foundation in a powder format infused with hyaluronic acid, snow mushroom, apple fruit, and it's going to deliver a natural matte medium coverage while blurring pores, minimizing creases, and helping your skin look bright, smooth, and supple. So that doesn't feel like a powder. It feels and goes on like a cream. So I can definitely work with that. That's a good color. I honestly, I didn't even know what it was. I'm like, well, it's Tarte. It'll probably be good. I'll just pick that. All right. My next choice was by Dermalect, and I've had this before, so I know it's a good product. It's the Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Now, Dermalect is a cruelty-free brand. I don't know if you can tell where it's filled up to, but it's filled up to right here. But when you're getting the weight, it's telling you how much it's going to weigh. So this is what, I don't know. It's whatever. It does have this nice applicator, nice and wide, so it really kind of moves that product, and it's nice and cooling. All right, well, my internet is so super slow. So I will put the price up here for you to tell you what the value is, but Dermalect is a pricier brand. So I think it's maybe, you know what, maybe, let me try this. All right, $49 retail value. It says it's going to reduce and soothe the look of puffy eye bags. It's going to lighten the appearance of dark circles. It's got a tightening effect on the appearance of droopy eyelids, conceals with universal light diffusing pigments, and features a depuffing cool tip metal applicator. Let's see if we can get some of the ingredients here. So it has Icero, which is a tripeptide with anti-edema properties to help reduce the look of puffy eye bags. Haloxyl, which is a combination of active peptides with skin brightening benefits to target the look of dark under eye circles. Sesaflash, which is a powerful and natural sesame-based ingredient that works to address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And Liftencel, which is derived from soy protein and renowned for its tightening and firming properties. So those are the major ones. So it looks like you can wear this day or night. Again, I know I've used it before. It's been a while, so I couldn't remember, was this something you could use daytime? But it definitely is a day and night because I don't see any retinol or squalane or any of the other ingredients that you typically can't use during the day, or it's not recommended. Finally, when I went back to Ipsy, it did show the ratings. It got 4.7 stars. I didn't catch how many reviews though. But because I'd used it before, I knew it was going to be a good product. All right, and then last I chose the Gold Faden MD Radiance Whip Brightening Treatment Mask. And honestly, in just looking at the other things, I was like, it wasn't really, there were other things that I could have gotten. I think I added on one full size for $12, but this one I was like, well, at least I'm going to get my dollar value. It's a $75 value. It says it melts into your skin, delivering instant hydration to help you look glowy and refreshed. It's infused with peptides and hyaluronic acid, and it's designed to support your skin's natural barrier. And the form of hyaluronic acid is sodium hyaluronate, so that means it's going to draw in any water. So any product that you put in over top of this, it's going to draw that in to really plump up your skin. It also does have squalene in it. It got 4.6 stars with only 39 reviews, 31 of those being. Now, Gold Faden is a cruelty-free brand, and they are dermatologist recommended. I believe it's a dermatologist developed brand. All right, next, Boost My Box. How did I boost my box? Natasha Denona. So this is the Golden Highlighter Trio. It's a $55 value. Pretty colors. Super pigmented. That bottom one might be a little dark for me, but maybe just with a light brush, I could use that. All right, so that's my box Boost. So what did I add on? So from Earth Harbor, I got the Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule. All right, love Earth Harbor. We get this in a lot of our subscription boxes, this brand at least. It's female founded, vegan, cruelty-free, no synthetics, nothing harsh, just great skincare. This says it's a lightweight overnight treatment. It has youth-preserving ingredients such as black seaweed, bakuchiol, black cumin seed, bamboo, charcoal, and linoleic acid. And it's going to help with purifying, buildup, preventing and reducing breakouts, excess oil, clarifying, and dullness. And that was $12 to add on. Next, from Rare Beauty, is the Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in Hope. Now this is a $22 value that I added on for $12. So absolutely lovely. So I think I paid $3.50 for each of these, which I thought was a great deal. My computer just went black. I don't even know what's going on. All right, I cannot find it on the Moonslice Beauty website. It looks like it is $15 on the Ipsy site, or the value is $15, but I'm pretty sure I paid $3.50 for this. It's a very kind of sheer peachy pink wash, and that's in the shade Raspberry Kiss. Ooh, it smells like raspberry. And this one is in the shade Popular. It smells like candy. All right, so that is my Ipsy haul. And, oh no, wait, sorry. I still have two more things. By Danessa Myricks, I have the Color Fix Liquid Metals, and I don't know, I've been wanting to try these and finally decided just give it a go. I'm pretty sure it was part of the $3.50 or $5 category. This is in Spark. Look at that. And then very last thing in here, I got this with points. This is the Nativa Spa Acerola Cherry Renewing Body Butter. So it's just a tiny little sample, but it was, I don't know, I think like 800 points, and I had points that were going to expire. So like if you go on and you write your products, you get points. And so I had some that were going to expire. I said, well, I might as well get something here. Very thick. So definitely a very thick lotion. It does feel really nice. It does smell nice. It does have a cherry scent, but not in the same way that that lip balm did. All right, so that is my Ipsy haul with my Ipsy by Boxycharm and a few little add-ons. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite product? Was it one of the ones that they chose for me, something I chose for myself, or an add-on? I'm going to say it's the Natasha Denona highlighter palette, because that was pretty pigmented. Pretty excited about that. It would be great as an eyeshadow too. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.